Hi guys, this is Kashif Shehzad Khan. I am from Pakistan. Today I want to show you a marble adhesive for filling the marble cracks and pinholes. The company name is Hussain. The color of this adhesive is like this. Marble adhesive. It applies for binding of all kinds materials and mending of seams and dents of the surface of stone products. Marble adhesive remove required amount of glue from the tin, add the correct amount of hardener, don't return any unused mixture back to the tin to speed or slow up setting time, and add more or less hardener. The surface should be clean and dry. Replace lead at times when not unused. The above rules should be strictly adhered to. Mixing ratio 100 parts glue and 3 parts hardener. Polyester resin in styrene, irritating to eyes and skin, irritating to respiratory system. Don't breathe gas fumes, vapors spray. This is a hardener BPO. Irritating. I hope the weight is 1 kg. I hope today you learn a lot of about this demonstration video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so when I upload a new video you can get the notification.